I'm not gonna use protection cause I'm trying to get you knocked up. If you be mine, then I'll be yours. I know you're sick of these slick ass niggas, I'm sick of these slick ass whores. You want the respect of your personality and mentality is genuine, and that is the reason you blow my mind. You blow my mind. Yes, you are. Every single day. I'm so in
hold on, kind of set them kind of soul tune, yeah, me have to just back and rep.
Set my mind on the wheel, it's real. Everyone uses one more time, 'cause your love is just blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. You got me swinging. You're blowing my mind. Set my mind on the wheel, it's real. Everyone uses one more time, 'cause your love is just blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. You got me swinging. You're blowing my mind.
If you want to get me Money, I need to work on the stage, I am flat. I know the men here, but better not to tell us. We are raga raga, from Africa. We are raga raga, like Nelson Mandela. We are raga raga, like Ines Kawanda. We are raga raga, from Tanzania. I said the father put forth the nuclear base. So ungrateful parties will exist. The only thing is they now communicate. What the father don't around us, appreciate them all. Some of the earth and put them up in the basket. Imitate 10,000 to the valley. We raise them on a bit till I see I. Me have to come and make it big and it goes some clothes and me I want to go. Something I go plan tonight. So we worry about it. Choosing is the light, we must stand up and but the cup is the air. Yeah, my lady and it's here. So fight the power and love in your clever cat. When that come no wicked man now go fear. I wanna show this out and make the whole world here. We are created by the Father now, we wanna be clear. I'm talking to the dragon and the eagle and the deer. With intention to pump up by the atmosphere. And the money will just provide and I will be there. We are raga raga, from Young Africa. We are raga raga, like Nelson Mandela. We are raga raga, the freedom fighter. We are raga raga, the Christian soldier. We are raga raga, the Simon Yard. The power of the most nuclear and the combat. And just a mother sort of Pantanga rapper. Millions and billions will stand up for that yesterday. And I say for enough of them all say that me have to stop and look and listen when me used to man a chat. And the kings of things still I say I them a lama. And the iniquity work on the scale I am flat. And go to make the air bell and I got a laugh. And Reggie and Christianity and the rock trackers. Something I got on tonight so they worry about it. Choosing is to let them all stand up and say we are raga raga for Young Africa.
Grab your dick if you love hip-hop. Rub your titties if you love hip-hop. Gotcha, open up the way that they become.
Now you smoke more blunts than a little bit. What are you, an idiot? Listen to the lyrics I spit like M1. Got mad guns up in the cabin. Cause these ain't the one talking flipping and tapping shit. I make it happen. You got your ass caught on the song was fire. From the underpass caught on the MP. What did you see? Then I miss you. I blow up spots like little scissors. Hawaiian fight to bell, took the cute cool like Murray. My killers beat the most beautiful. Junior Mafia click thick like loop dancers. Niggas rap your gas, bitch you take a glass at the look too much. Pulling over in the land while I'm playing big Willie style with the chauffeur. You know what I mean? Stack the green, read it over, swing the wrong. Yo, a nigga act up, back to back, they're hard to find.
Grab your dick, come on, we never get great, let's get rough on kick this, you know, all MRT O'Reilly. Look at you for all of them grooving on the song, alright? Easy right. Junior Mafia, grab your dick if you love hip-hop. Rub your titties if you love hip-hop. Gotcha, open up the way that they become.
Now you smoke more blunts than a little bit. What are you, an idiot? Listen to the lyrics I spit like M1. Got mad guns up in the cabin. Cause these ain't the ones talking flipping and tapping shit. I make it happen. You got your ass caught on the song with fire. From the underpass caught on the MP. What did you see? Then I miss you. I blow up spots like little scissors. Hawaiian with the teeth. Hawaiian fight you now. Took the cubicles like Murray. My killers beat the most beautiful. Junior Mafia click thick like loop dancers. Niggas rap your gas. Bitch you take a glass at the look too much. Pulling over in the land over place. Big Willie style with the chauffeur. You know what I mean? Stack the green, read all the swing the lines. A nigga act up, makes the back that hard to find.
Niggas, happy rich if you know hip-hop. Rub the hip if you know hip-hop. Gotcha, open up the world and little car. Niggas, grab your dick if you know hip-hop. Rub your dick if you know hip-hop. Gotcha, open up the world and little I'm surrounded by criminals, heavy rollers, even the sex, the individuals. Smoking, smoking like Phillies, beating down Billy blood asses, flexing, stacks and masters. This robbery's a class that I passed it. Shit get drastic, I'm burying your bastards. Big Papa never softening, taking to the church, rob the bitches of the offering. Leave the suckers open up the line in his pockets like rabbit ears. Covered the white Kleenex for the kickstands. Versace wear, Moschino on my bitches. She whipping my rear eye too, I'm sticking my bitches. Just the whole idea is play, all day, every day. I don't know what else to say. I've been robbing niggas since running them was singing, here we go. Snatching ropes at the Roxy homeboy, you didn't know my flow. Set your rip to figure out. Usually roll for self, I have sun riding shotguns. My line's my 9, my pen's my Mac 10, my target. All you white niggas who started rapping. Junior Mafia CeeLo niggas know the how. Caviar for breakfast, champagne, bubble bath. Running up with pretty bitches constantly. Sugar-free, sugar-free, EOP, all of them sweet. Sipping and drink for all of them crew.
Sometimes I window watch out the Marriott. Going and only go out on top. Yachts, guts, no sweet shots of scotch. Formulating up plots to escape these down spots cause it's scorching hot. Making it hard trying to figure who's out to trap me. But that got all kinds of undercovers coming at me. Perhaps won't be happy till they snatch me in places where half a slash me. Sitting they can't stack me but never me. See, my destiny to be forever free. And that's the sea on the hill that'll wait for me. So rush up to visualize like a gold rush. Vivid enough to make living this a must.
So get up, and this rap shit's my meal ticket. So you goddamn right I'ma kick it, or get evicted. I bring something like Stephen King, a black Casanova, running niggas over like Rick Sting. When I rock the spot with the flavor I got, I get plenty of ass, and call me an astronaut. As I blast another nigga's ass. Thought it was strong, but I smoke it like grass, just like people Sean. When I float, niggas know it's time to take a hike. Cause I grab the mic and flip my tongue like a dyke. I got rhymes from Gigi and Shannon. Produce a smoke screen with the funky green to keep your eyes running. So check the flavor that I'm bringing. The motherfucking D.R.E. and keep it motherfucking head ringing. Yeah. Keep the hands ringing. Assalamu alaikum. Shit as if I was a mayor, when I ain't no problem. Assalamu alaikum. Competition, sitting on opposition, the fear for attention. Look, never in the backdrop. Step on stage and get famous just like I'm flat top. Your rhyme sounds like your bottom and stop and go. Straight came to wax you, so just call me Mop and Glow. Minutes fly too, but just can't rock with. I'm 6'1", 225, a pure chocolate. Your chances of jacking me a Slim G, cause I rock them summers, the Santa comes down the chimney. I'm so forward, so, cause I continue to flow. Cause yo, I'm just a fly Nick Rope, so check the flavor that I'm bringing. The motherfucking D.R.E. I keep the motherfucking heads ringing. Yeah, I keep the motherfucking. That's bro. Let me know you in the house. Yeah.
to the south, to the east, to the west. I don't discriminate, boy, I bring it to your chest. If you're opposed, then your soul will be controlled. Strive to get money and I'm not no hoe. Push it in the air that you breathe it through your nose. Feel it in the kicks that you putting on your toes. Look at that pole, but yo, that nigga don't know about the dominate factor, the accurate rapper. The next chapter, page 95. Niggas so hard, it's a wonder they alive. But you still survive through the danger that lurks. My eyes remain wide while you ass like Irk. And you my family at it. The more you mad at us, put your thinking caps on and motherfucking brainstorm. Cause I got the plan that wins and can't lose. Your man knows what's right, say typical, say true. A lot of these jokers out here is blase. I'll be rocking mics until a horse says hey. Super preoccupied with glamour and glitz. Acting all bougie and make it big movies. But I be in the cut, call me incognito. Busy making joints that was wrong for my people. You know they know a man who was from nothing. Paying me forever and never be frontin'. You know how we have fun in the mix. It's a good evidence of be at the net. Truth like, peace to the girl named Hurricane G. Peace to my girl named Paris. Peace to the organized confusion. To all my shorties who dying too young. To both folks in the land in between. To your man if you're doing your thing. Peace to my people who is incarcerated. Assalamu alaikum, peace don't debate it. The towering and towering over fools. Your mic is broken, my shit's cool. Black man with the understanding of the three wise men and the theories of sin. So I get inside the crevice like a dentist. Disrupt the block like Dennis, the menace. Chinese on the needle. The shit is both evil or marvel. Your rhymes is mixed up like Bible. Bingo, that was the damn old thing. But I know another one with much more fame. The Bible, and that's my word to disciple my
Get the money, long time, no cash. Never caught up in the hustle where the guns go blast. Who retaliated so I can flash. Phone comes around trying to have the cash is highly addictive. Especially when you used to have the money to live with. I thought step back, look at my life as a whole. Ain't no love between the devil's gonna stole my soul. I'm out Philadelphia, P's not helping you. Trying to get the selections up. Plus the cellular, your big noise. What up, cousin? I can't cope with all these crab niggas trying to shorten my rope. Yo, it's the R-A-double-P-E-R-N-O-Y-D. Niggas can't fuck with me. Coming straight out of QB, pushing the infinity. You ask, can I rap it constantly? Mentally, definitely.
Don't understand, because I had the chance. I don't know why I'm going crazy alone. Anything in my heart ain't the same, and I don't even think something about you. That's the only time I get sentimental. Yeah, that's the reason why baby I can't love you.
Hold tight, out of the blue, hold up. Fish out the corner, so woman good. I ain't stop. Hold tight, the fish out of the corner, out of the blue.
I'm missing my seems like you're still here. I'd rather be this girl, honey. Now that I've lost the words, I can't believe I'm on my own. I should have been looking better. Now that you know I'm wrong too, I said it's not me doing my best, and now my friends don't understand. Because I had the chance, I don't know why I'm going crazy alone. And the things in my heart ain't the same, and I don't even think about you. That's the only time I get sentimental. That's the reason why, baby, I had to go for you. My heart ain't the same, and I don't even think about you. That's the only time I get sentimental. That's the reason why, baby, I had to go with you.
Good night, good night.